Tiffany, I have always wanted to make and cook pizza. Can you help me?
I have never made pizza before, Red Fox. We can learn how to make it together. What ingredients do we need?
To make pizza, we need pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, and the foods that go on top of the pizza. Vegetables, chicken, beef, pork, or even pineapple.
The foods that go on top of the pizza are called toppings. What toppings do you like on your pizza, Red Fox?
I like chicken on my pizza. Can we add chicken, please?
Yes, we can add that. I like chicken on my pizza too.
What about vegetables, like peppers and sweetcorn?
I like peppers, but I do not like sweetcorn.
Okay, we can add peppers, but not too many, because then it might be too spicy.
Okay, we can only add a few peppers. Let's start cooking.